Rantoul and Thomasboro. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern McLean County, northwestern Champaign County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Saybrook, or 7 miles southwest of Gibson City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern McLean and northwestern Champaign counties, including the following locations: Bellflower and Friesland. The National Weather Service